Okay, so let's talk about how to use the modified x method, or I really like to call it butterfly method. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to list our a, b, and our c. So a, in this case, remember, is the first letter in front of x squared, so that's going to be 1. My b is going to be 3, and my c is going to be 2. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to look at is c is positive, and since c is positive, I'm going to be looking for a sum. And since b is positive, both my signs are going to be positive. So let's plug this into the formula right now. I'm going to have a, which is 1, times c, which is 2. Then on either side of my x, I have ax, so that's going to be 1x. And on the right side, I have another 1x. And my b is going to be 3. Now 2 times 1, that gives me 2. So now I need to do some side work over here. I'm going to say, what are my factors of 2? I have 1 times 2. And I'm looking for numbers that add, because that's what the sum was telling me. So it's telling me we're going to add these numbers, and whatever numbers add up to be 3 are the numbers that I'm going to look for. 1 times 2 gives me 2. Does 2 plus 1 give me 3? Yes, it does. So that's going to be my factors I use. So I'm going to put a 1 here, you put a 2 here. It doesn't matter if you put a 2 on the left or the 1 on the other side. It really doesn't matter which side you put them on. But these right here are going to be my factors. And my signs right here are the ones I'm going to use. So I'm going to use x plus 1. My next factor is going to be x plus 2. Normally, since we just have a 1, we don't usually write them, but if you have the 1x in front here, that's totally fine. And we did it, we factored.